manage your user presets. And here we've got some user presets that I've made. We've got this light here, we've got these lights here. If I kind of list by the user tag, we can see them all. And I want to make some changes. I want to delete this user preset, and for this one here I forgot to tag it with Studio Lights, and then this one here I've named it kind of incorrectly. The others start with softbox and this one finishes with softbox. So to manage your user presets, go to Edit, Manage User Presets. Now this panel will actually filter out and just show the types that you have. So I've got loads of image presets for HDRI maps and for light sources. But in terms of presets for lights, I've just got these. So the first one is this one, and I want to delete it. So to delete it, press Delete Preset. And it will ask to confirm it, because once you've deleted it, it's gone. So yes. So now that's deleted. So this one, I want to change the name from softbox there, get rid of that, and then put pink afterwards. And then press Apply Changes. So now that's softbox pink. And then if we come to this green one and select it, I want to add Studio Lights as a tag. Press that, add that, apply updates, and there you go. So we've just shown how to delete a user preset, how to rename a user preset, and then how to edit the tags on a user preset. And then once you finish, you press close, and all your changes will be updated in the presets panel in HDR Light Studio.